안녕하세요 everyone, this is Gia. Today we'll be making 돼지 등갈비찜. It can be translated as Korean style baby back rib. And we're going to cook everything in one pan. Let's get started. Let's start by preparing the vegetables. Begin by chopping the onion. If you're using one cutting board, start by preparing the veggies and then cut the meat. This will prevent cross-contamination. Thinly slice a few stalks of green onion. When mincing a large amount of garlic, it's convenient to use a plastic wrap. Place the garlic on the wrap, cover it, and then pound it. Now, let's focus on the ribs. If you've purchased ribs, you'll notice a membrane on the back of the ribs. To ensure tender ribs, you'll need to remove it. So insert a paring knife under the ribs close to the bone and peel off the thin membrane layer. Next, cut the ribs and immerse them in the cold water to eliminate any bone fragment. Afterward, drain the water and pat the ribs dry with a paper towel. This step is crucial to making golden brown, so be sure not to skip it. Now, let's prepare the sauce. In a small bowl, combine dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, mirin, or cooking wine. Mix it well and set it aside. Prepare a large skillet and heat it over medium heat. Add the vegetable oil and place the ribs into the pan. Cook them until the ribs are golden brown on both sides. Now, introduce onion, garlic, and stir fry. Oh, let's not forget to add ginger to it. Stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until the veggies wilt. Then pour the prepared sauce over the ribs. Give it a stir and then add dark brown sugar to it. Dark brown sugar is less sweet than white sugar, and it helps to give a nice caramel color to this dish. Thoroughly mix the ingredients and add water to the pan. Cook it over medium-low heat for 25 minutes, covering with the lid. If it lacks water, add half a cup of water to ensure the ribs are fully cooked. Increase the heat and cook to reduce the liquid until it thickens. Ideally, you want to braise it until you have approximately 5 to 6 tablespoons of sauce. Okay, it looks done. Turn off the heat and sprinkle green onion over the meat. Everything is done just using one pan. The ribs are slow cooked in the pan until a little caramelized and charred. If you like pork barbecue, you really like this recipe. Happy holiday and Happy New Year!